Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change your mouse speed and sensitivity on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. You might want to know how to change your mouse sensitivity to make it faster or slower depending on your preference. The method is nice and simple, and whilst we're changing the mouse sensitivity, you might want to check some of the other settings to customize your mouse. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To change mouse speed in Windows 11, first head to the main settings page. You can get there a number of ways, but we'll be searching for it in the search bar. In the settings, click on Bluetooth and devices from the list of options on the left side. In here, scroll down and click on mouse. Near the top of the mouse settings, you should see the option to change the pointer speed with the slider, and you can make this whatever you want. Feel free to customize some of the other settings on here, and there might be more settings available by clicking on additional mouse settings. This will open a new window and you can change other speed settings in here, such as the double click sensitivity and speed. Click on OK or Apply if you change any of the settings in this new window. And so that is how to change your mouse speed and sensitivity on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows PC. Help support the channel by visiting the store. The link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.